Mr. Sawant moves forward with improvements in 3 areas: inspection of drawings and drawing register, purchase orders, customer complaints. His work in cleaning operations at workers' quarters and staff facilities has electrified the company, and everybody is eagerly waiting for his next move. Mr. Sawant has understood the importance of risk assessment and wants to make it part of the quality management system. What Mr. Sawant needs in his quality manual? Number 1, company's goals. Number 2, project details. Number 3, organization details. Number 4, how do we work? Number 5, our quality plan. Number 6, critical processes and flow charts. Number 7, checklist. Number 8, risk assessment and mitigation. Number 9, war room, managing cost, time, quality and risk. Number 10, audit and improvements without fuss. Number 11, innovation. This is Mr. Sawant's 11-point agenda for his simple quality manual. Make no mistakes. After understanding the importance of risk assessment, Mr. Sawant spells out first activity of his manual, company's goals. He is clear that he wants to work on residential projects only. Look at his emphasis of guaranteed time frame, committed price and quality. He also understands that he cannot remain in business unless he makes profit. But he is not greedy. He says reasonable margin of profit. Mr. Sawant is clear about his stakeholders, and look at the way he wants to treat them. His philosophy: no haggling at price, but quality, delivery and cost. Statutory bodies. Mr. Sawant is clear about following statutory requirements, but he wants to contribute to a green and healthy society. Let us see how Mr. Sawant does this while executing his construction project. This is my vision, says Mr. Sawant, and he wants to move fast. He has also decided to address innovation before moving to agenda number 2. Wait for our next video, Innovation Ideas by Mr. Sawant.